A nice crispy roast potato, fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Tastes delicious. One of my favorite things to eat. However, I'm trying to limit intake of them slightly due to the AGEs they contain. AGE stands for advanced glycation end products and form when proteins or fat react with sugar during high temperature cooking methods like roasting. Unfortunately though, they're not only actually addictive, they're also toxic and contribute towards increasing inflammation in the body and accelerated aging. And in fact, high levels of these advanced glycation end products are found in age-related disease like Alzheimer's, cancer and diabetes. And it's also short-term too because they create increased oxidative stress and inflammation. It can contribute towards skin aging, fatigue and even mood fluctuations. Two of the ways that I use to help reduce my exposure to ages are by cooking using methods like boiling, steaming or lower temperatures, and if I'm cooking at higher temperatures, use acids like lemon juice or vinegar, as this inhibits the formation of ages to a degree. And just little changes now can make a big difference. So whilst I love the taste of a brown roast potato, I'm also conscious that I don't want to be paying the price years down the road, having poor health and bad longevity.